Hello? Hello, chats. Hello, hello, hello. Let me just do something. Let me put this up for me. Lower this. How's the sound? Compare, like, how's the volume levels? Do you sleep? I had a nap today. I had a nap, like, a few hours ago. From, like, I'd say 8:30 to maybe like 10:30. I have energy and like I don't have school tomorrow. Speaking of school, let's talk about that. um, I can't. So first something happens. And I can't disclose every information, but I'm suspended from school for 8 days. um, basically what happened is so my school made some articles about the different jobs of the games industry, right? And they made one on graphics programming, and let's just say that there were a few issues with it, for lack of better words. They said stuff like, the graphics programmer must know PHP, stuff that is reasonable enough to say that it's wrong. Yeah, yeah, the graphics programmers must know PHP. Yeah, it was really cheap. So I made a Twitter thread about it, and it was pretty angry, and they didn't like it. Someone snitched on me, and I was summoned for a disciplinary council, and they suspended me for 8 days, basically. And they're also probably gonna try and fell my ear, but yeah, anyway. Um, so yeah, I'm a criminal now. I'm a criminal. I'm a school criminal. Yeah, and so that means that I have all the time I want for game dev now for like at least a week. Can I sue them? I mean, I know I'm in France, but we don't sue like that easily. That doesn't really work like that. The issue is it's a private establishment, so they have their own rules, right? And I signed the papers, so kind of hard to contest it. What's sure is that some stuff that happened is definitely like not fair, and I'm trying to manage that right now. That is all the information I will disclose. But I would say more if this was a private stream, but this is not, so I won't. And also the VOD will get posted on YouTube, so I'd rather not. But, I have 8 days where I can do as much game dev on stream as I want. And today is one of them. I mean, tonight. Snitchers will get killed in chat. To be fair, I know exactly who snitched. And the thing is, how could they know for sure your Twitter was you? I mean, dude, my Twitter said Amelie and there was like my portfolio with like my full name on it. So they knew it was me. They knew. Like, I could do a bluff like, it wasn't me, but like, dude, it was so obvious. I wasn't gonna deny it, I said what I said. I stand on what I said. But yeah, no, they definitely weren't happy. It was definitely something to pull up in a white room filled with, three grown men in suits being like, outrageous and hate speech on the X platform, and I was like, I'm sorry. I was nervous as hell during the disciplinary council, and like my class president who was with me was not helping me as well. He was like trying to twist my words. A mess. Definitely not doing that again. I don't want to get in more trouble. But yeah, I have a list of things we could do today, and we're gonna do multiple things, right? So what's nice is that since we just started stream and there's a bunch of people here first, you get to choose what do you want to see first. I could make an image converter tool, so I can convert from like WebP to PNG to HDR, etc. to facilitate image conversion in the engine. I could do skyboxes, normal maps. I could make a level. I could make item triggers, but I mean, I guess it's part of inventory, right? I could do console vars, a dev console, camera points, point lights, or a state machine. What do you guys want to see first? Dev console? Fuck! Okay. Hey, honestly, sure. Sure, let's do it. The most interesting? Sure, okay. I'm done. This is gonna be a long stream anyway. Because, you know, I have nothing to do tomorrow. I can just, like, sleep in the entire day. I'm working on that right now. Yeah. I get it. I get the idea. Cool. Let me just get some water and we'll get started, okay? Alright, be right back. Dev console is definitely super helpful. I do agree. Geez, already 16 viewers, dude. I'm famous. The fuck? No, also, one thing before we start, I just wanted to say I appreciate you guys for tuning in my streams and supporting me through my adventure of making a game. It's hard. Motivation isn't always there. But now that I have people backing me up and, you know, tuning in my streams and supporting me, I really appreciate that. Thank you guys. Definitely feels good to have a little safe space where I can talk, make stuff, laugh, you know, and make fun of object-oriented programming live. I do appreciate that. Yeah. It's my little bike shed. Cause you know I gotta keep a professional composure on Blue Sky, but on Twitch I'm a gremlin and can do whatever I want. I mean, not whatever I want. It's still a product stream, so I can't say whatever I want. But they should make that actually on Twitch. They should be able to like make private streams. You know? Does that make sense? Am I making sense, chat? Or like make it sub only and like only subs can watch instead of just sub only chat. I think I'm cooking something, chat. I have an idea. So okay, so dev console, right? Dev console. Well, what's funny is that I actually already have a dev console implementation right here on this project called Voyage, which I may still have on my PC. Dev, do I have it? I don't, fuck. Did I like delete it? CMD git clone recursive. That project was also C-style C++, but God was it more messy, in my opinion. Actually, you know what? Let's take a look at it. Let's take a look at it for fun. For funsies, let's have some fun. We deserve to have some fun from time to time. Okay, Voyage, CMD, code, launch dash, hawk tour. Alright, so let's build it first and let's run it. Whoa, what the fuck? Ooh, interesting. I think I can do something first. Is I have scripts somewhere, and yeah, there you go. Do not play this audio. Do not play it. I had Lua scripting. Fucking Lua scripting, bro. Insane. Alright, run. Crashes. I might be missing some DLLs. That's why. Yep. There you go. Put that in builds. Run. Crash. No shaders. Oh, I know why. This should be call build begin.exe. There you go. So this was what I did back in 2021, I think. Yeah, and I had a dev console right here. So this dev console, well, it wasn't really that good. What did I have? I think it was in Game GUI where I registered all of it, or like game. I actually don't know. Dev console init maybe? No. Where did I add all the commands? cvar. Yeah, there you go. I could only edit cvars, right? So I could do, for instance, sp show position 1, and boom, I would get this little thing, right? Like in Valve games, because I really like Half-Life 2 at the time. I mean, I still do, but you know, you get the idea. Or, you know, I could also do stuff like mat toggle and 0, and boom, no skybox. Mat toggle and 1, boom, skybox. Or mat wireframe 1, boom, wireframe. Yeah. Fucking wireframe, bro. Wireframe. But yeah, that's pretty much on the only stuff I had, right? I don't think I had any more commands, but I'm not sure. I could check, I guess, but yo. Delicious. Water. Guys, drink water. Water is great. And so what's nice is that I have an entire console implementation right here, stolen from IMGUI, that I will totally not steal. But, you know, don't mind me if I do. Yoink. Honestly, I mean, I don't... You can't blame me. wndef console.h. Yoink, yoink. I can just do include wn common. What's nice is I have the same coding style, so it's gonna be even better. I don't care about that. I'm gonna remove all of that. All of this bullshit. Like that. There you go. wndef console.cvp, and now we go into there, we copy paste this, we add this. Now it's gonna be like, oh, not nice, what are you doing? This is wndef console. This should be dev console, no, global console, my bad. And honestly, that should be it. Let's just remove the SP from everything. Yoink. Now what's the errors? See if our registry undefined. We'll do that later. We'll put a to do. To do Amelie implement cvar registry. Like that. And yeah, there we go, we got a developer console, guys. Yay! How do I even add something? Like, how do I add a command? I just do that, I guess. I'll do something like void def console add command const char and def console fn function. Like that, and it'll be something really easy, like just yoink. That was fast. Yeah. Guys, developer console, yay, I just took the code from an old project, yay! Now just do global console.commands name equals function. There you go. Also, this is not correct. This should just be message. Like this, and I just do str.dup message. And am I freeing everything here? Yeah, here. Oof. Ooh, this is not good. I know what I'm gonna do though. Instead of having this disgusting piece of shit, items can go suck my dick. Instead, we'll have a string stream. Seems way better. History, no. We'll have a string stream access. Because string stream is based. I love string stream. Do ss message like this. Global console dot ss like this. Yay. History. I guess we should keep a history. Std vector. Std string history. This, I don't need it anymore, nor do I need this. I should just be able to global.ss.clear like this. This should not exist either. Alright, I guess I could do that. But you know, I don't actually have any log levels right now, so I'll just, you know. Yoink. Okay. Okay. What is he not happy about? Oh yeah, right. Okay. Like this. Cool. So let's try it out, because if it works right off the bat, it's gonna be really funny. And this, yeah, this should just be this. And now in outputs, where are you output? You're here. I'm going to add def console. We're going to do log your outverse, but you also do dev console add log ss.str.cstr like this. Though I should be taking a string when I think about it, honestly. This probably makes more sense. You should take a string view, by the way. String views are so much more optimized in terms of memory allocation. Why not vary this? Because I'm already handling them in my output. Duh. Why are you not happy? Too many arguments. Oh, right. Skibbity. I can just do that. Yeah, I win. Okay, what else? Log. There There you go. No, we should be good. So we have this. Let's go into main. Put this here. Thank you. Just like include w1 dev console. Dev console init. Dev console shutdown. Dev console. Where do I draw? Game renderer. Oh, I do it here. If editor mode, I'll do dev console draw. Bull open. I mean, it's always gonna be open, I guess. So null pointer. Null pointer. I don't care. I don't care. Builds. Build that shit. Build it. Bob the Builder, can we build it? Bob the Builder, yes we can. Crash. Also, this is not the world I wanted to load. Let's do half mesh tests. Never good to have a crash. Why are you crashing? Why is this dealer taking a piss? I've been standing here for 30 minutes. Why are you not happy? What am I doing? Video inits. Oh, right. So first of all, let me just... Whoops. There you go. So why do you crash? What did I do? Oh. Right. Okay, that makes sense. Yoink. Now we should be good. My name just works. Developer console. Well, that was you know. Yay, developer. I mean, it looks kind of ugly, I guess, but outside of that, you know, it works. Yeah. Whoops. I guess I can move around. You know, I can do my stuff and have fun and frolic in the grass. What we could do something along the lines of, let's add some commands. You know what? Let's add some commands. In it, let's add some default commands. So notes Amelie add default commands. We'll do stuff like adds commands. We'll call it clear, and we'll make it a simple lambda that takes a, what is it again that I need to take? Yeah, a vector of strings. Yoink. And I'll just do dev console clear. Let's see. Look. Clear. Well, it didn't clear. What the fuck? You're not supposed to do that. Maybe my clear is wrong. Clear. Oh yeah, I should probably do something along the lines of global console history.clear. Like this, maybe? You're supposed to clear the fucking thing, why? How to clear string. Oh, for clearing the... Okay. So I have to do .str. Okay, so, okay. That leads to confusion, you know? That function name. Watch it work now. Look. Why did it clear for no reason? Clear. Yeah, there you go. GG. Easy. Try again. One thing, why is it not giving everything? What did I do now? Is it because I'm doing this? What am I doing? Oh yeah, that's probably why. Actually. No, it's not. You're not supposed to do that. You're supposed to give everything. Might have fucked up something along the way. Dev console clear. What does my add command do? Because yeah, it's supposed to only do that. But why are you not taking in everything? Meow 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 meow. Meow 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 meow. Girl, what the fuck is going on? Item spacing. No, I mean I should. Why am I not getting every single thing? That's so weird. Is it because it's too long? Like what? I don't understand. I guess it's too long. History, where are you? Because what is it with the history? Text edit callback? I don't... Oh yeah, that's... Okay, so the history is like for the input, but what about... Like why... Dude, okay, I'm so dumb. My bad. You know how I be. Dev console. Yay. There you go. And here, oh my god, there's too much text. Clear. There you go. No more text. Productivity 1000. Am I good? What do you mean? Yeah, I'm good. I'm chilling. Hello. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the stream. Developer console. Yay. I should probably like... I forgot to put in the objectives on the thing. The chill stuff. And whatever. I was even thinking, wait, what's the difference between no engine game dev? There's a few. One, if my game ever blows up and becomes like one of the biggest indie games ever, I don't have Unity or Unreal knocking on my door saying, give us royalties, give us money, you know. So you get total like freedom on all the royalties and how you handle your money, first of all. Second of all, it's fun. It's a learning experience. It's pretty cool. Yeah, pretty much. And also because when you make your own game engine, you can, at least when you make something that's like not really reusable and mostly in scope of your game, you get to actually only ship what actually matters instead of like an actual whole engine. When you start learning new stuff, lower level, no engine stuff. I would say I started when I started doing like C++ game dev with SFML, so I was around 13, so 5 years ago. But I started doing 3D stuff when I was around 14. So 4 years ago. Let's add some new commands now. Let's do WN notification. Something like dev console add commands. We'll do map. And I think it's notification payload. How do I do it again? Let me check. Cause now I can just dev console. Okay, how do I do it in worlds? There you go. Like this. Yeah, true as well. When you learn to make your own engine, you just become better at programming in general. And also, it's just more fun for me. So let's do that. But the level path is going to be do if args.size is not 2, we'll log invalid formats. Then we'll do st string level path equals args1. This should be a return. If fs exists, like this, and then I just do level path, and we are good to go. Okay, so let's try it. Okay, so imagine I want to change map. So assets, levels. We'll do map, assets, levels, corridor. Let's start with gibberish first. Oh. Yeah, it does not exist. It didn't log it though. Yep. Let's do assets, levels, corridor, 0.json. And it did it properly. It's reloaded the thing. How nice. Okay, let's try it again. So we'll do whoa. Okay, maybe it's not super stable, but let's not think about it. Map, assets, levels, road 0.json. Yep. Still gaming. Map, levels, assets, levels, nav mesh tests, 0.json, and I'll just load it automatically. Yeah, okay, so we got a dev console working. Yep. It's probably not super stable. Any game that blow up? Nope. I am this is my first ever game, so you know, low chance of blowing up, but in the case that it does, I won't have any problems with money. Also, I just forgot that I forgot to change my bitrate from when I was in the hotel, so let me change that real quick. 6,000, apply. Okay, now it should be way better. Should be at 6,000 now. How's the video quality, guys? How are we liking it? Marketing money above dev skills. Do you agree? I mean, yes and no, because if like marketing is good, but if what you make is garbage, you know, it's not gonna work. You gotta have something to back it up. if that makes sense. So let's push that. I'm not seeing any difference. Hello, Kiwi. Added dev console. So how much were you to spend on this game after we get it done? I have no idea, man. I started like 12 days ago. It's way too soon for me to know. Well, dev console is done. Okay, chat, shoot, what do you want to see next? State machine, lights, camera points, item triggers, inventory system, CVARs, a level, normal maps, skyboxes, or an image converter. Camera points, bets, I'm down. We're productive today, we're productive! You get me, we're productive! Okay. So, for that, let's map out the logic a bit. So we're gonna do the pirate software way. Lights are more interesting. We have a conflict. Let's make a poll. Manage poll. New poll. What should I do? Okay, so we have point lights, where we can do point lights, camera points. I'll put the ones that I want to do the most. So skyboxes or CVARs. All right, cast your votes. Cast your votes. CVAR, console var. So like settings you can change at runtime and save them. So for instance, if I want to do like a CVAR called mats enable fxaa, you know, I can do that. It's basically a way to store engine variables at runtime or settings and store them to a file, etc. It's good to modify them through the developer console. Cast your votes, guys. Cast your votes quick. I only see one vote. Vote, guys. Vote. Camera points. It's like fixed camera angles, like in Silent Hill. Well, sounds like we are gonna do fixed camera angles. Well, so I need to support position, rotation, that honestly should be it. I don't see why it should be that much of a problem. I'm just gonna have to, you know, implement the gizmo, the gizmo. Where knows a gizmo in it, for the vector, but I thought that were fine. So what I was thinking, right, is something along the lines, where's paints? So let's picture it, okay? Let's imagine we have this road, right? And here there's this door, right? And we have our player like right here. A little potato. Right, we'll have our player right here. We're gonna have like a trigger like here, like in the shape of a box. Perspective master, by the way. Wait, this actually looks pretty fire. Anyway, like a box like this, and when you enter this part, right? So when you enter this, it's gonna affix to a camera point. It's gonna go like, you know, this. Basically. I mean, not like this, but basically just switch. Let me just show you an example. Will be easier. Let's take a look at Silent Hill 2 gameplay. Do I play WoW? No. I played a lot of Final Fantasy 14 though.
Mary. Yeah. I might.
Can I have a better example maybe? Before you enter the Woodside Apartments. Please. I won't, don't worry. But yeah, see how like when he gets close to the door, there's like a switch up. Yeah, like this. It switches to a fixed camera angle like this. That's what I mean. That's what I mean. So you need to be able to set up a position and maybe a field of view, a rotation for the camera, which you know should be pretty easy enough. So let's do that. Okie doke. How to not have money problems like you? What do you mean have money problems? I don't have money problems right now. I'm doing pretty good. Anyway. This is a fire ass graph, by the way. I think I should be like awarded for this masterpiece of a drawing. Can we have some claps in the chat? I want to not have money problem. Also, thank you for the follow. To not have money problem, you need to invest into a low index funds. Put it in the savings account. I don't fucking know, dude. I don't know shit about money. I'm 18 years old, dude. I just turned 18. I don't know shit about money. Invest and skibidi toilet or whatever those kids say. Invest in crypto. It definitely gets you some money. Yeah. Nope, I did not fuck any hookers. So wait, let me tap to allow. No. Allow. Nah. Masters and I don't know shit about money. Hey, honestly, real as fuck. Hey, I mean, I can't blame you. It's your first time living, you know? I use XD and I'm not Polish. I'm Polish. Polish, I'm dead. I'm not Polish. But you know, I love Poland. I love Poland. When I came to Poland, I saw my car was stolen. What can I say in Polish? Kurwa! 2 triggers to avoid jitter. No, the thing is, the way my trigger system works, I can do something like, I'm not gonna do it like if the player is in the trigger, I can just do it like if the player enters the trigger. In that case, I can switch to one angle, and if I exit, I can go to another angle. Does that make sense? Was my kurwa pretty good? Kurwa! I can say, Etko jedno w głowie ma, koksu 5 gram, odejdzieć sam. I don't know the rest, but my Polish is really bad. Was that good? Was that good or bad? I can't tell. It's a song. What's good? How do you know? I could tell you're not native, but that was pretty good. Okay, good to know. Hey, I mean, I do like languages. I'm learning Spanish at the moment. But my Spanish is, you know, not good. No bueno. Mi español no es bueno. I wanted to learn Norwegian because I had like a job offer potentially in Norway, but I have someone in the shop who knows what happens. And he was in the same situation where I'm not happy about it. Right, Kiwi? fucking ARM, dude. I'm still baffled why it took so long to reply. 2 months, dudes. 2 months. For context, I applied at ARM for an internship and they took 2 whole months to reply. Not gonna make it? No, you're gonna make it. 100%. Don't worry. You're gonna make it. Just maybe not in Norway right now, but you're gonna make it. Speaking of, my time on Blue Sky has been honestly pretty good. I don't have any of the cringe, cringe Twitter stuff that I usually get. Like, on Twitter I have all the dude, low-key, there's some people, I won't give names, but whenever I open Twitter I always see like language wars, and like language wars are like the one thing that I cannot stand. Cause like, what the fuck are you doing with your life? Just please code something instead of talking about languages. C++ is an unsafe language. So are you. I'm approaching your location right now. Close your doors, lock your windows. I don't care that it's unsafe, I don't care! I don't care! It may be unsafe, that's why it works. We don't care that it's unsafe. Rust devs can suck it. Twitter thrives on conflict, absolutely real. So am I. I'm pointing a gun at your hands. Yeah. I don't trust anyone that doesn't hate their tools. I have a love-hate relationship. I think C++ has some issues, but I still love it because it's super expressive. I can do whatever I want in it, and I will never be limited in C++. I can build whatever I want. And what I mean by C++, because again, we'll redo the bit I did, but what people think when I do C++ is class final templates type name t std template value numerical validator is numerical check type id. And we put like fucking 2 billion characters, right? And then you do my class components vector visitor adapter factory builder, right? Let's do some real C++ here. Let's do some C++. And here, right, to do this simple void add numbers, to do this simple add numbers, we're going to use std iota views range addition tool C++ not 89. I mean 89, but not as in 1989, as in 2089. Module built JIT compiles Bjorn Straussup daddy add numbers with accumulator. Real C++, guys. C++ language. Yeah. A singleton visitor decorator factory. No. My C++ is ugly as fuck. It's ugly, dude. It's ugly. Look at it. Ugly. I mean, I find it ugly because, it's not conventional C++, but personally I find it really enjoyable. For instance, let's take a look at physics. That's how my code looks like. I do stuff that way. And it works pretty well. But no, you must use a singleton factory adapter validator. Yeah, C style C++. That's what I do. Pretty much. I do use some C++ stuff, like sometimes some libraries force me to use inheritance. And I do use a lot of C++ stuff, like I get like function right here. I use vectors, I use the STL. But the way, like the paradigm is procedural. I don't do object oriented. Because I think encapsulation is a dumpster fire, makes no sense. Like, I'll have a rant about it, but imagine I have something like class game object, or like class transform. If you want to do it the right object oriented way, you would have to do something like this is what they expect me to do at school, by the way. Something like void set position glm back free set get position, something so stupid like that. And like for me, whenever I see that, I immediately throw up and I like just stop working. No, it makes no sense. I don't know why you would do that. For me, the only reason you would do that is if you need to make some updates to some other parts of the code when you change some data. So for instance, in Jolt, when you set the position of a body, it's probably gonna do like some kind of magic to update or like signal its current state or whatever to the physics engine. That I can understand. However, just encapsulation for the sake of encapsulation is fucking stupid and I hate it. Exactly. This is fucking dumb. This is so fucking dumb and I hate it. Like you could just do like instance dot member plus plus, but no, you have to do instance dot sets member instance dot gets member plus one. Fucking stupid. No, never again. Gone. Fired. I don't know, P class and VS were nonsensical stuff like apply this random part and things from that doesn't yeah. Yeah, I mean honestly sometimes the uni gives you bullshit, you're just gonna fight with it. You're just gonna do with it. I mean, I would know. My uni asked me to make an ECS for a fucking breakout clone. Would you like to cut bread with a fucking chainsaw? Make an ECS for a breakout clone. Yeah, academia is something. Truly something. I genuinely do not understand them, but that's just me. I should maybe get started on the actual work. Oh, my mom texted me, hold on. Sub goal met. Fuck you mean sub goal met? What the Oh, follower goal. Yay! Let me see. Shotgun is a way to protect your code from your own mistakes, but if misuse can overcomplicate things, that should not be complicated. Yep. And that's exactly my problem. Like, I trust myself enough to know what I'm doing in terms of code, and I don't need to hide myself behind encapsulation at all. Like, I'm a one-person team. I remember the code I write, and I know that, some stuff I need to not touch, some stuff I can touch, and I think encapsulation just makes things so much more complicated. I hate it. I don't have commands, but what GitHub do you want? Do you want the source code? I suggest you read the frequently asked questions in my Twitch bio, which should be right here. Yeah, you have all the questions here. My personal GitHub is right here. Knock yourself out. Yeah. Exactly. But no, we're full of crap. I think encapsulation is full of crap. Yeah. Gosh, I'm hungry. I didn't eat enough tonight. Anyway, so let's get some work done now. Let's make a new thing. I should probably, like, at some point make a camera file with all the camera types, but we'll call it WN camera. We'll call it fixed camera. Gonna cook some rice based. Okay, so we will have a position. We'll have a forward vector to determine the rotation. And we will have. Hey, honestly, that's all I need. I don't need much. I mean, I guess. How low level is this? How much OS level code is there? How are you building, compiling it? I'll possibly create new builds. Okay, so basically, I think as low level as you can get in terms. I mean, it depends on what system, because for instance. So first of all, I'm not using any engine at all, so I'm doing everything in C++. Now in terms of libraries, for rendering, I'm as low level as you can get. I'm doing everything with no libraries. I'm doing DirectX 12, raw, writing my own shaders, my own rendering code. For stuff like model loading, I use a library. For audio, I use a library that does everything for me. Physics, same version thing that does everything for me. Windowing as well, I use SDL for windowing. But AI is as low level as you can get. Rendering as low level as you can get. Gameplay as low level as you can get. File system as low level as you can get. Yeah. Raw dogging the GPU, yep. Because it's better. It's better. It's faster. Hey, honestly, I don't think I need anything else for that. I mean, I guess I could pre-compute the matrices. Map for view matrix. And projection matrix will be the same anyway. Raw dogging is a GPU. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So that's our fixed camera, right? What I guess I could do is add some utilities like void fixed camera manipulates. Like it'll be like an Namgo context, right? My integrated GPU on my laptop should have no problem running this lol. It depends. Because right now it's a development build, so I'm using the latest version of DirectX 12, which might not be supported on your machine. Might not. Might not. Just saying might not. It could, but it might not. But I don't think I'm doing anything crazy. Like I guess I'm using the latest shader model, but I can bump it out. Actually, let me do that. Actually, let me do that. Let me remove the cache. Fuck you, cat. No, wait, don't delete the textures. I deleted the cache. Fuck. It's fine. It's fine. I can. Light work. No reaction. Cache. Just copy it back. Whoops. Okay, so dot cache. I just want to remove WNS, just the shaders. And in shader.cpp, we will make this 0 instead to make it more accessible to everyone. Yeah, I did. We're good now. We are Gucci. There you go. And we can move around and shit. Let's change maps. Map, asset, levels, roads, hero.json. Just caching the physics colliders. Yeah. Also, I was wondering, Why is it taking so long to load this scene specifically? Because this model, this bench model, is fucking 1.5 million vertices. Fucking Yandere Simulator toothbrush. Like, dude, it's a bench. Why is it? What the? Yandere Simulator toothbrush, by the way. Fucking insane. Also, there's a bug with this this lamppost. See how when I go out, like when I fade out, it like starts to fade out as well. The issue for that is the MIP maps. So you know how MIP maps only work when the texture is like a fixed size that is divisible and like divisible by 2, like a power of 2. Photogrammetry? What do you mean? Oh, maybe. Maybe. Did I create that? All the models I downloaded them from Sketchfab. None of them are mine. The levels are mine. I placed those models into a level, but the actual decoration, that's not mine. I'm no artist at all. Oh shit. Oof. Just punched my mic by accidents. And I can move around and shit. Look. Bam! Loads. We still got the baguette. The baguette and the brioche. Alright. So. Unreal Engine will have no problem loading that? Probably. Unreal Engine and launching 10 billion threads to load a fucking 2x2 texture. No bloat, by the way. Joking, of course. So yeah, it's probably just like, yeah, photogrammetry, like Voodoo mentions. That's probably the issue. Actually, no, I won't even do that. I'll just do void fixed camera calculates. I'll just do something like camera. Actually, I could just do the trigger code right here. I guess. Camera view matrix equals camera. No, just GLM. I need to include GLM GTC matrix transform. Matrix transform HTTP. This is look at camera position plus GLM normalize camera forward and GLM vec free 0 1 0. Probably. But honestly, I'm gonna get rid of that scene anyway. It was only just for debug, and I'm gonna, like, when I have normal maps, I'm gonna revamp all of my levels to have normal maps anyway. But yeah, I'm not really down to fix it anytime soon. I'm too bored. Actually, I guess I could just put it here. Not gonna lie. Now I can just have. Actually, fuck that. Fuck that. W in physics. This will have a physics trigger. 8 cubes in the UV image. Yeah, way too many vertices. Yeah. Physics trigger. I think I actually have a spare bench model somewhere lying around that I could potentially use. Perchance? Maybe. Also, Rocky, welcome to the stream. Glad to have you here. It's hot in my room, goddamn. Why is it hot in my room? For once in my life, it's hot in my room in the cold dark of winter. Hell yeah. Yeah, finally. It was about time. Okay, why intelligence? What? Expected a declaration. What the sigma? I don't even need this actually because I already have the rotation built in. I just need the view matrix. Smart. Smart guys, smart. Actually no, I don't know. Nah, actually no, I actually do. Dude, I don't know. I'm getting myself confused right here. I don't need it. I don't need it. Right, I don't need it. So, trigger on enter, you just change the camera. Yeah, okay. Let's do that instead. Okay. Yeah, okay, let's do that. So we'll do something like on trigger enter, change camera, and on trigger exit, set back to main camera or something. Right, that makes more sense to me. Okay. So we'll do void fixed camera. We'll just, yeah. Fixed trigger, fixed camera trigger inits. Free. Where did I alt tab? I'm losing focus. Init free. And I guess we could add like a I mean, I could just like make an active camera and set that. That would probably be better. Like world active camera or something. Yeah. Probably make more sense. Let's do that instead. And we'll do like glm vec free position and glm vec free quad rotation. Okay, so I also might need to include GTX/Quaternion because otherwise it's not gonna be happy. Builds. Okay, so we'll do the basics. Physics trigger inits, T trigger position, size. We'll just make it a default size of 1, but we'll figure it out at some point. Quads rotation, and no user data as far as I'm aware. What do we use as user data when we load the normal trigger? New entity. Oh, right. Yeah. Yeah, honestly, with the art direction I'm going for, so kind of PS2, PS3, I don't need high poly count, so I don't really need to stress test the engine yet. But benchmarks would definitely be something that I'll take a look into at some point. Rotation and this should honestly not be in this file. I might be. Yeah, no, this should not be in this file. Let's instead go into world. Let's just do it here instead. So this is, yeah. So notes ame for trigger type transition. Then we'll have note army trigger type camera. C++ isn't the language you've been able to wrap your head around. Hey, listen, it takes a while. It's stupid. C++ is really stupid, especially if you're trying to do like idiomatic rights, like right way quote unquote C++, where you have to like make a class for everything and use like the STL and standard library for absolutely everything. Yeah, those are cool languages. Cool languages. GLM, Mat4, View Matrix. I think that's all I need, honestly. Insanely confusing stuff. Yep, definitely. And here, so that's components and world info, game objects, world descriptor. We'll have like worlds. Render data. We'll have GLM mat4 main camera view. And then updates. In inits, we'll make the world's main camera view equal to the world's player. Where do I handle the camera? Player inits. Ooh, it's player get view. Like this. I start losing the learning curve on messing with memory. I just can't. It takes a while to get through it. I mean, to be fair, I feel like there's a lot of, you know, I guess people market memory management on something really scary, but it really isn't that bad. Pointer arithmetic is fucking hard, but outside of that, I think memory management is pretty easy. At least as long as you're not making like a full-blown AAA game engine, it's pretty easy. Kiwi, I'm gonna find you. I'm gonna find your address. I have your location. I will find you. I will find you. Rust fixes this by throwing a compiler error and making you unable to run your code for 10 years. Basically. So here in main we contained a few things. Instead, view to use. Where do I determine it? Yeah, this will be worlds dots main camera view. So that code is good code, right? I guess so. Fuck, what am I doing? Yeah. Bull is using player cam. It's true. We'll do something like, so that it actually updates the camera. So in updates, if world is using player cam, then world's main camera view equals player gets view world's player. A big engine in Rust. Hot take, I don't think it's ever gonna happen. Have a good night, Rocky. Nice to meet you. Okay, it still works. Nice. I think Rust is like way too unpermissive and strict to allow for writing an actual game engine. At least AAA. Rust pills? A Rust build in my chat? No. This will not happen. No. Not allowed. Okay, so what we can do here is oh right, what am I doing? As for on stay, we'll also do on enter callbacks. So this is note for transition triggers. We'll do for camera triggers. Tried to switch to Rust for game dev and went back. Yeah, I saw it too, I think. I really want that as long as it's not me. Yeah. It will never be me. Never. Never. I have a friend of mine that's actually trying to write a game engine in Rust. Who is DMing me at this time? Yeah. He's making a... Well, he's trying, but you know. Maybe just check my DM on my phone. What is this DM? Okay. So, here I don't really care. This is not really what I need. Instead, man, the issue is, well, I guess, hold on, let me cook. What I could do is an entity could have a parent game world. I don't know how I could handle that. Because really the player data depends on the actual type of the trigger. But that's the state function. We'll call it the state function. And we'll call it, wait, no, what am I doing? Yeah, this is for transitions. And we'll do for camera triggers. We'll probably have to change a few things, like make it so we can make a list of callbacks instead of just one. But so far this will do. This will be enter on trigger enter. And this will be if E has physics character to do not to do notes. Assume that this is a player And we'll just do something like yeah, you know what? Let's make it parent worlds. That would probably be better. Let's do struct game worlds here. And we'll do something like game worlds, parent worlds. We'll do e parent worlds. And since I'm in the land, that's gonna freak out. Okay. Main camera view equals trigger. View matrix. And e parent worlds. Not main camera view, using trigger equals false. And we'll also add a on trigger leave to the physics system. So this is on trigger enter, on trigger stay. We'll do on trigger exit. And in physics.cpp, where are you? Okay. On contact removed. Contact listener. Added persisted removed. There you go. This is what I need. On contact removed. Virtual void. On contact removed. Override. Subshape ID pair. Why is that not? This is literally the same function. Oh yeah, because this should be GPH, subshape ID pair. Okay. So in subshape pair, what is that? Get body one ID. Okay. So I guess I can do something along the lines of. Along the lines of in, or at least physics dot body interface gets gets how do I get the body from an ID? I mean, I guess I don't need it, right? I can just do. Also need to add this back in. Am I stupid? On trigger enter. Yeah. Wait, what? Because this is both an entity now, right? Obvi. I'm gonna keep this, and this will just be on trigger enter instead. So this will be physics dot body interface gets object layer of in sub shape. This will just do like, I guess. We only need the layer, right? And gets object layer, as far as I'm concerned, returns a GPH object layer. GPH object layer layer 1 equals physics dot body interface gets object layer and subshape parity dot get body ID 1, I guess. 2. So, do layer 1 and layer 2. Layer 1 and layer 2. And then we'll do I guess void user data 1. Right. Good night, Voodoo. Was nice seeing you. Physics.body interface gets user data. Before I mess up. What are you not happy about? Dude. Like this, and here I can do user data 1, 2. There you go, and now I should have it good. Let's try it. Let's just build and see if it works first. Without crashing, of course. Also, this should be on trigger exit before I forget. Okay, well right now I have no trigger, so let's do map assets levels corridor 0.json. Okay. Okay, yay, crash. Why though? Because on trigger entered crashes. What the sigma? This is the same thing though, so I'm confused. I'm guessing it's because it didn't add anything. Hi Trinidad. Hello. I never know if I pronounced stuff properly, by the way. Trinidads. Trinidads. Hola Trinidads. ¿Cómo está? Hola Pepsi. Why do you crash? Map assets levels corridor 0.json. Okay. Yoink. Why do you crash? Because obviously I just forgot to put the actual thing. The country. Ooh. Ooh. Interesting. New entity. Parent world, group worlds. Now we should be good. Also, I removed the crash counter because I think it would piss me off too much to just update it every time. Hope you can understand. I also changed the I'm GUI theme in the fonts. So now, why are you crashing now? What did I do? Did I forget to build it or? Also in main, let's switch to something that actually has. Yeah, there you go. Like this. Build again. Let's say we build again. And here it doesn't crash. Oh no, the trigger is just dead for some unknown reason. Well, excuse me? I am a bit confused, I'm afraid. Scene, triggers. Yeah, no, it's like right here. Oh, there we go, that crashes. Trigger view matrix. Yeah, it's parent world, but I'm setting it right here. What? Oh, because I'm not setting it for the player. Obviously. I should have known. So instead, this should be something like trigger. This probably makes more sense. Dude, I'm starving, Jesus. Let's try again, run. No, it shouldn't crash. Yep, no crash. Great. Though, you know, it should be fucking up my camera, which is odd. So we'll... Oh, yeah, and I should probably do if trigger type equals trigger type camera. Yeah. Probably makes more sense. Okay. Yeah. Builds, run. Oh. Oh. Whoa, 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 whoa. Well, that was crash. God, whoa. Fucker froze my PC. Dude. Where even is it? White noise. Jesus. The fuck happens? Let's debug that because that is definitely weird. I did not expect this at all. Okay, now it's freezing. But why are you freezing is the question. Why, like, F11. F11. Wow, so it's frozen. Jesus. Why? On enter callbacks. How? How does it freeze like that? Like, I've seen freezes before, but like this is wow. It happens on enter. On point for a creepy game. Rail. Like, it works for this, so why is it freezing? Because I must be doing like a while loop somewhere. Is it like a jolt bug? It might be. Oh, I mean... Never mind. Never mind. Dude, I don't know. This is weird. Like, it's weird for it to freeze like that for no reason. You know. Thankfully, I have the pause feature in Remedy BG to help me out. There you go. Pause. Semaphore. Drop system with barrier. Okay, so it's a it's a jolt bug. It's a jolt bug. Wait for jobs. Okay, so I must be doing something really wrong with jolts. But I think it happens on trigger exits though. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do something like on persist we know it works, so we'll do log on add and on exit. And we'll see which one is fucking us over. On add. Okay, so on exit crashes. It's on exit that it doesn't like. Why? I don't fucking know. But it doesn't like on contact removed, I guess. Is there another way to add persisted? All bodies are locked at the time of this callback. Some body are bringing one from another at the same time. So what I'm doing is wrong. It's just wrong. I get it. Okay. I mean, what I guess I could do, but it's kind of ugly. I mean, yeah, I could do that. It's kind of ugly, but I could do that. Yeah, okay. I'll just make it simple. Structs contact removed queue. Structs contact removed events. It'll have something along the lines of GPH body ID body 1 body 2 contact removed queue std vector of contact removed events contact removed queue contacts queue, and we'll do something like how do I comment again? Oh no, it's not this. Hold on. It's this. We'll just do We'll keep what we're doing right here though. Or I guess no. We'll just do system physics dot q dot push dot events dot push back. So this will be in sub shape pair dot get body id 1 and get body id 2 like this, and then we'll do an update instead. So update characters, and here we'll do notes ame updates contact queue for auto contacts physics dot contact queue dot events. Yeah, like this, and then we just do. I will do if physics dot contact q dot empty, that's empty. Then we'll do all of that. And then we'll just clear the queue. Let's try again now. Yeah, I mean, I don't see any more crashes, you know? Yeah, no, it seems to work. Great, cool. Nice. Back to the actual thing though. Oh wait, I'm dumb. Yeah, I'm being dumb. Hold on. I didn't think of it through super well. Because like if there's a view matrix, but this also should be a points position and a points forward to compute all of that. Okay, there's the trigger position, but there's also what's inside the trigger, you know? I mean, the point inside the trigger that will act as a camera. Am I making sense? I think I am. It's gonna be hard to set up, but you know. Let's prototype in the level. Imagine. So imagine type transition. So let's imagine something along the lines. Let's add a new trigger in the corridor, so we get to see. So we should really add a side at some point. So how about we make just a new one, but this is just centered. No rotation, this is just 0, 1, 0, 0. And size will make it pretty big, like 2, 2, 2. And no transition. Unprecise. I think is how I call it. So we should have this trigger right here now. That does nothing. Failed to load JSON. Is it dump? Oh wait, no, I am dumb. It's because this should only be if trigger t type equals a trigger type transition. So if it's not, we just return. So, as I was saying, no, don't edit the player. We have a big ass trigger right here. I should really make something to like modify the size. Oh fuck, CVP, you're out? Yeah, okay, goodbye. If I press space, nothing can happen. So let's change this. Though I should really make something to edit the size honestly, because this is cringe. I wish there was a way. Also, I don't know what the fuck is this, but I wish there was a way to like dynamically what is the game about? The story has yet to be written, but the main topic is puberty and sexual trauma. Very happy themes. It's a Silent Hill style game with the intention of having, you know, the style and feel of an actual Silent Hill game. This is too small. Let's make it bigger. Like 4, 4, 4. So renderer, crop the bounding boxes. Whoa, okay, this is big, but this is good enough. Translates. So this will be my camera trigger. So let's save this, by the way. Save. And the position changed. We make it. Anyways, if you enter this, we'll change the angle to something like, I don't know, a point here. Yeah. Yeah. So to prototype, we can do something like type camera. And something like camera points, just an array 0, 0, 0, and camera forward 0, 0, 1. Notes on a, you might not, I might change this to not recompute the view matrix on enter, but it is what it is. Trigger view matrix equals glm look at trigger point position, trigger point position plus glm normalize trigger point forward, and the up vector is always going to be 0, 1, 0. Something like this. Oh, and I should also do something for exit triggers. So this is on exit callbacks. And we'll do like on exit function, and here if this is a physics character, instead we'll just say that now we are using the player cam. Like this. I'll make it a code block so it's more readable. Shit, what am I doing? Yep. Yeah, makes sense. Now I just need to actually load it. It's gonna be kind of tough, but it's possible. So we'll do something along the lines of if entity t type equals trigger type camera, entity root type equals camera, and we're gonna follow our scheme we just put in here. So entity root camera point 0 equals entity points position dot x. We'll do that for everything here. Y z 1 2. Don't think I need anything else for that. And for loading, it's just going to be the same. So if type.compare camera equals 0, new entity t type equals trigger type camera, then we'll have a point position that will load in. We'll just copy that over. Point position to be camera points. We'll have the same for point forward. Like this, and we'll just do new entity point forward equals point forward, and new entity points position equals points position. Like this, and we should be good for everything that's like the actual logic. We're gonna need an editor, but outside of that we're good. So let's test it out. Let's test it out live. Oh, wait, yeah. No, we can test it out now. So this should work, so I can, you know, still... Why does the trigger take so long to fucking load? Like, sometimes, like, they just don't work. Or they, like, just fuck up my trigger somehow? I think I might have. Either way. Did I do something stupid? No. This should work still. Yeah, it does work. Like, sometimes it just bugs out for no reason. Dude, whatever. Okay. Anyway. Okay, so imagine I go here now. It didn't work. Why? In the editor, we'll add a few utilities to help me with that. So we'll add camera. No, there's 3 of them. When I enter this, it's supposed to tell me something. Logic bug somewhere, I'm sure. There you go, okay, it does work. It's a bit clunky, but it works. So imagine I want to move back now. Just move back. When I exit it, but now it's... I launched After Effects by accident. No. 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 Exit. Exit. Fuck. And trigger T type equals trigger type camera. Equals player gets view of trigger parent worlds dots player. Why does it take time to initialize, dude? It makes no sense. I don't... Like, I'm entering the fucking thing. What? I'm entering. I am entering... I am entering you. Why? What did I do to deserve this? I am entering the fucking thing. And now it works. Somehow. But when I exit... I'm exiting, I'm not entering. Hello? What the fuck? Oh my god, dude, I'm so fucking... Ah, dude. Oh, can I be so stupid sometimes? Let's try again. Now, please don't be stupid. Just act like a normal trigger. There you go, and when I exit, back to normal. Thank you. Okay, well, it's a bit weird, but you know, it works in the concept. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'll put it in rework and I'll do camera points editor in to do. But we got the inner logic working, so that's what I wanted after all. So I'm going to just remove the trigger that I had right here. Remove it. Git add, git commits. Git, hello git. Added camera triggers. Git push. Alright, and I will take a small 5-minute break and run some ads, and then we'll come back and do, I guess CVARs would be nice. I want to do CVARs. Okay, let's do that. Alright, let me go back. Let me go to my break screen. So I think I'm just gonna display. Where's my break thing? Not 10-minute. We'll just do ads break. Be back soon. Just ad break. That's good enough. Center this. And I will be back in a bit. See you guys in a bit. Alright, I hope the ad break was fruitful to everyone. I am now back. And we're going to work on some C-bars. And then after C-bars, I will most likely go to bed because I'm tired. Alrighty-o. So, let's start by making a new file, wn_cvar. So cvar can have a few values, so we'll just make it a type. I mean, I guess we don't need, we can just deduct it. We can do stuff like, I mean, we can just deduct it. We'll do structs as, and we'll have u32 unsigned f32. Have string, as we'll also have boolean. What else could be added? Yeah, no, this is already good enough, I think. Yeah, and then we'll just do a struct console var registry. I'll take an unordered map console var std string console var vars for the console to see var init and we'll do stuff like const and cd string and registry path and console var cvar gets something like this. So we have config here. cvar sort. Could make it a JSON file. Probably makes more sense. So what settings do we have? Have draw debug. What else do we have, I guess? Max lit. I guess I should do my bindings at some point. Yeah, no, honestly, this would be good just for an example. Though subject to change, of course. wn_cvar.cpp. We'll do so nomen JSON roots equals fs load JSON registry path. Now I wonder if we can do something like for auto node of roots. Can I do that? Ooh, I can. Iterate through elements. Key value. Okay. Or I guess what I could do is something like make all of these a string and convert it at runtime. Though that's kind of cringe, not gonna lie. Bool is valid string. I guess we could get type. Like, if is there like item dot type or something? Where's value? But what is type? What the fuck is value t? Oh, okay. Equals item dot value dot template get bool like this. Aha! Yeah, it does make sense. Now we should do for floats. F move string as well. Yep, there you go. This should be all I need to load all of these up. Okay, in cvar get, I'll just do return cvars dot vars cvar name. So here, in main, this can go away because this will be a cvar now. So cvar or console var Okay. And I also forgot I should make something to save it. So void savevar, we'll call it load. Also do void cvar save. Use Norman, JSON roots for auto pair in cvars or registry, not vars. And just for context sake, we'll have an enum console var type. We'll do console var type unsigned, console var type float, console var type string, console var type boolean. Alright, and now I can do switch pair dot second dot type. Or I guess I don't really need to. Actually, no, I do need to. I'm gonna retake all of that. So roots pair dot first equals pair dot second as b f u s and fs writes JSON registry path roots. Okay, so now we'll do it here. Cvar init. What is it? Console var inits? No, it's cvar inits or load. Yeah, cvar load assets slash cvars.json and here we'll do cvar save assets test.json just to test it out. And hopefully it works first try. Cvar load not found. Why? Why? Yeah, because this is load now. Wait, what? Yeah, this is load. So now, in renderer, I can draw bounding boxes. Boom. Everything going well here. Here we'll make it back to true. Cool. And now Now let's make it so that now I can edit those CVARs in the dev console. Thankfully, I already have a snippet for that. That should be, where's dev console? Right here. I guess I do need to make it public. There you go. That should be it actually. That should be it. So mat debug false. Unknown command mat debug. If it does it, did I forget to build? I might have forgotten to build. Yep, there you go. Yep, there you go. That's easy. Well, there you go. CVAR is done. Nice. Very productive. Very demure. Very mindful. Done. Cool. Well, that's it for me. I coded enough tonight. It's 2 a.m. I'm tired. And I'm gonna go to bed. But it was fun. Definitely good stream, good progress. We got dev console, we got the start of camera triggers and console vars. We're gonna finish up on AI this week, maybe do a bit of GPU video decoding. Stream tomorrow, by the way. I have a uni project to do, so I'm gonna do that as well. And yeah, we'll see about that. All right. Let's find someone to raid though. Raid channel. Same category. Who's streaming right now? Not a lot of people in it. Godot 3D platformer. Let's rate this guy. Alright, well, thank you for tuning in. Thank you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next stream. Bye bye.